here I'm applying some effects, image, adjustment, brightness. You need to adjust the brightness. See, the picture brightness you can adjust. Okay. And you can adjust this one. And we have another option also, image adjustment, levels. Levels, you know, if, for example, if you have any forest or something like that, okay, you can easily, you can adjust the values like, you know, levels. When you're adjusting like this, you will get more, you know, the depth color you will get. Okay, if you're adjusting here, you will get more white. If you're applying the same here you can adjust, you can see this one adjustment, levels. Here when you're adjusting, see the shirt color and all, you know, you will get more darkness. Okay, there is the option for levels. Okay, and we have another option also here, adjustment and curve. Curve normally you can, you know, to give more white. Okay, so when you're clicking here, this is a, you know, the graph for the colors. Okay, the brightness. When you need to click in the middle and you need to adjust like this, so it will be more a white area. So here, you know, what you can do, you can, by using lasso tool, select only this area. Okay, that area only, if you want to make it, you know, the curve, you can adjust that one also. Click in the middle and you can adjust this one, only the face, only it will be more white. This is an option for that. Okay, so you need to click in a proper way, then only you can see here, you know, the otherwise, you know, it's not good. Okay, so here, you know, what you can do, if you applied anything on your image, you can Control Z, you can undo, or there is another option, you know, history brush tool. If you're using history brush tool, what are the, you know, edited you made on your image, it will go everything. Okay, and also here, you know, adjustment, you know, exposure. Exposure also is nothing but, you know, you can adjust the values. It's all, you know, based on your, you know, image quality. Okay, based on your image quality, you know, this image adjustment will give you the result. Okay, here, you know, you are adjusting like this, you know, what are the values, if you want, you can adjust. And here, image adjustment, vibrance also, you can check one by one, you know, you will get different values. See, you can remove the preview, so you can see the, see, so studio people and all, you know, if you want to make more, you know, the colorful and all, not colorful, you know, more depth for your dress color and all, we can use this one. Okay, image adjustment and hue saturation. Normally we know, you know, to change the dress color and all. For example, you know, if I want to do only, for example, if I have a t-shirt, for example, if I'm using this one, we have, you know, one man here. So I'm making this copy 1, 2, 3. When I'm moving by using move tool, I can move. While moving, when I'm pressing Alt, when I'm holding Alt, okay, so I will get more copies. So here, you know, I'm just taking, you know, this color here only, I'm selecting. You need to cut in a proper way. I'm just cutting like this. Instead, you need to select this layer. I think this is a layer. You need to select and Control U you can use. There's a hue saturation. You can adjust like this. Okay, and deselect you need to use. And the second one you can, the third one you can use. That also, you know, you can adjust. Select the dress and you need to adjust, you know, which layer is this one. Yeah, this is one. You need to select this layer, image adjustment, hue saturation. You can adjust this one like this. Okay, the same model. Hue saturation shortcut is Control U. See the same person in a different color t-shirt you can make. Okay, this is a way you can create. This is a way you can use, the hue saturation. Okay, and here, I'm using another option, color balance. You can adjust the color balance also here. Okay, go to image adjustment, and color balance. See, this cyan you can adjust like this. Okay, and magenta you can minus or make it more like this. Okay, this is all, you will get in on your image, different effects you will get. That means, in the name you can understand, image adjustment, hue, adjustment. That means image adjustment. So next one is, color balance. After that, black and white. It will go directly black and white when you are clicking. And here, when you are adjusting some values, you will get, in black and white also, you will get some effects you will get. Next one, image adjustment, photo filter. Photo filter also you can adjust like this, same way. So if you're changing the color, bluish color, if you want, you can use the bluish color and adjust the values. Or if you want the red, you need to select the red and you can adjust the value. See, photo filter. On the image, you can use this all option. And channel mixer also is the channel mixer. You can adjust like this. See, when you're adjusting all this value, you can see different values. You need to check one by one. Okay. Invert is like, like a negative, photo negative, it will be Control Z.
Negative.
Yeah. So image adjustment and threshold you can use. Threshold, when you are adjusting like this, it will be like that. One moment. Hello? Yeah. So the next one is you can use gradient map. Gradient map, when you're using, you can use the gradient. Also, if you want any different gradient, also you can apply here. Okay. Next one, image adjustment and selective color. Selective color, this is already this is a bluish color, so you can select the blue and you can adjust like this. See the changes. All values you can adjust and check. Image adjustment and shadow highlights. So if you want to shadow highlights also, you can check this value. This is nothing is there, but you need to adjust the values, here and there, so you can feel the difference. Okay, and shadow. The next one is, equalizer also you can use. Equalizer, it will be like that. Control Z. And next one you can use image adjustment. Replace your color. Replace the color means, if you're adjusting like this, it will be like that. Small depth you will get. Image adjustment. Next one is match color. Match color is something different. See, density you can adjust. Fading option also, if you want, you can adjust. You can see the difference for that. And here, image adjustment and desaturate. Desaturate, it will be like a black and white. Okay. Desaturate, that means color will go. You will be getting only that area. Then HDR tonering. So when you are clicking that one, you can see the values here. Here strength you can adjust. gamma correction and everything, you can adjust this one. This is the image adjustment options. We need to check one by one. Here mainly, the studio people, they are using levels, curves, and their brightness they are using hue saturation. We are using for color, dress color, eye color, that kind of things. We are using hue saturation. Okay, so we will take other topics now.